Before we start this consumer compute, just wanted to let you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also get a Patreon account, sign up for free.
Hey guys, this is Consumer Compute. Just doing a comparison video of the A35 5G as well as the A15 5G. Now, the A35 5G was introduced in the US on April 18th, and I've owned this phone now for about 2 days now. The Galaxy A35 5G actually retails for $399. Now, if you go through a carrier deal, you trade in an old phone, say through T-Mobile, you can get this phone for $99. Where this one here, you can get it for free if you add a line or trade in a device. Same deal here. If you add a line, you can get this phone for free depending on the plan that you do through T-Mobile. As well as you can buy this on both of these phones through Best Buy. This one here, I think it's like $170 now. It's gone down. Both screens of these phones are AMOLED screens, where the A15 5G is boasting a 90 hertz screen, and the A35 5G is boasting 120 hertz. So this one is the faster rate phone. Both of these phones offer fingerprint readers, where the A15 5G offers the fingerprint reader right here on the power button. Once doing that, you can unlock the phone. In the screen, it does have face recognition that you can unlock it, where the A35 5G offers, where the A15 5G has it built in the fingerprint reader. Now, does this really make any too much difference? I don't think so. The big other difference that we can see in both of these screens, again, they're OLED screens, AMOLED OLED, beautiful screens. This one also obviously has the teardrop type, old school, and this has the pinhole. Again, though, I'm kind of gearing towards the A15 5G probably being the better budget phone compared to this, which again, it is a mid-range phone. And the main reasons why I'm thinking of that, yes, this has a faster processor. It actually has the Samsung Equinox in-house processor. I think things will go a little faster on the phone. The big thing is that it does have an always-on display, is like more of the flagship phones, where this doesn't have that. I do feel that you can notice that this one's a little thicker than the A15 5G, just a little, and it's tough to really understand that until you pick up this phone. And surprisingly, when I did do the unboxings of these phones, I almost couldn't really see a difference screen-wise, because they felt to me like almost the same screen size. But if you do notice that the boxes are definitely smaller in here. So yeah, the A15 5G is smaller than the A35 5G. Now, just to make myself not go crazy, I'm gonna stop putting the 5G in these phones. So here, this is the 35. This is the A35. This is the A15. Now, if we were to compare these size to size, you are going to see somewhat of a difference. First of all, the height is a little, of the A35, the height's a little higher, and the screen's a little wider. The other also big thing that you are going to see on this phone is that if we were to look at the screen, little chins on the bottom, you're going to notice the A3500 does, excuse me, the A35 does have a smaller chin. All right. On that note, though, the main reason why I think the A15 5G is probably going to be a better budget phone, if you're really just looking for a Samsung phone, is a Swiss Army knife that can do pretty much everything that a Samsung phone can do, I would go with the A15 5G. saying that the A15 5G is probably a better buy for someone who's looking for a phone under $200. It's a steal right now. Best Buy about $170 unlocked. You can't go wrong, and it's got 4 years of updates and I think 5 years of security patches. Just making sure that you throw like a decent case. This is the only type of case that Samsung does offer besides a clear case. Ranges about $25 on Samsung's website. Probably pick it up on Amazon. Now, this is the official case where there's probably plenty of cases on Amazon for this phone. It gets the job done. It's not like a special case or anything, but it is what it is. Where now, if we're looking at the A35 phone, right, there are much more cases on Samsung's website. There's actually three different types. There's a clear case, there's even an S View case, and there's also this lovely little case that you can throw a credit card in, and it's like a wallet case so that you can use your tap to pay. Now, in saying that, both of these phones do not have wireless charging. They do, though, support fast charging.
Thanks again. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.